JX Mind. Hi guys, my name is June. Welcome to JX Mind channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to save PDF from Excel file with multiple sheets. So the first thing you have to do is to open your desired file with MS Excel. In this case, I'm going to use Excel 2019 on Windows 10 platform. As you can see, my Excel file has 3 different sheets. The second step is to set up the page layout, which includes the paper size, the print area, and the scale for each sheet you want to convert to PDF. To do this, make sure you are in Page Break Preview by clicking this icon on the bottom right. This view will show us a blue border that indicates the boundary of page 1 within sheet 1. You may also have to do this for sheet number 2 and sheet number 3 as well. Now let's go back to sheet 1 and set our paper size as A4. Then we need to set the print area. Do this by highlighting the desired cell that you want to include in page 1 and then click Set Print Area. You may also have to experiment with the scale. In my case, I'm gonna set the height and width into 1 page. Now let's go to sheet number 2. An alternative method to set the print area is by dragging the blue border either up and down or left or right. You may also have to experiment with the scale. This time, I'm gonna set it the same. I'm gonna set the width and the height equal to 1 page. Now let's repeat the same method for page 3. The third step is to set or select the sheets you want to be active. You can do this by holding the Control key and then clicking on each sheet names which you want to set as active sheets. In this case, I'm going to select sheet 1, 2, and 3 as my active sheets. If you want to deselect a sheet, just click again while holding the Control key. The fourth step is to save the file as PDF by clicking on File, then Save As, choose a location, rename the file, and choose PDF as the type. Then click Save. Excel 2019 will publish your file and show you the PDF output. So that's it. That's how you save a PDF from multiple sheets in Excel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more videos like this one.